This is Captain Tinsley, Salty Abandon with the Salty Quickie from Factory Bay, Marco. So Rose Marina was full, but I'm kind of glad because it gave me a chance to anchor out here. I've never anchored out here in Factory Bay. There's not too many boats, so should be a pretty peaceful night. It's pretty still back here. So this will be my third night in a row anchoring. I really did try to get a slip. Salty Scotty called for me, and they're doing some repairs, and I guess some of their slips had closed down. Didn't have enough. Couldn't fit me in for the first time ever. But yep, I sailed here, motor sailed actually, directly from Mud Key in the Keys, and just came straight here. Cut a couple hours doing that by, not going back to Marathon and then coming up. But this is where I'm going to be tonight. It's pretty peaceful. That boat over there has their light on, their anchor light. And then there's somebody over there, but I'm not sure if there's anybody on it. Except for now. Got here just in time so I could see. Salty Abandon out.